Welcome to the quick tutorial how to use Instagram Assistant Auto Liker Chrome extension that help you automate likes on posts, reels and comment. In this video, I will show you how to install it, configure and use all features step by step. First, open the Chrome Web Store and search Instagram Assistant Auto Liker. Then install it. There you saw the button. Then you have to open on Instagram.com. First features is auto like post. Once enable the extension, you have to log in on the account. Then you can use it. Once enable the extension, automatically like post on your home feed. Explore feed. On the top you saw the button start liking. When you click, it's automatic start post liking. As you see, there is the notification pop-up you see and the post it likes. You can start the report on the dashboard. Post like. There is the list of the post which both is the like. There is the total number. The next feature is auto comment like. So we have to open any post where we have to like the comments. This is helpful when you want to boost engagement on a specific creator, community, or niche post. Just open any comment section and let the tools work in the background. As you saw, the comment is like you can start the report in the comments like there. Now we will go on the next features. Instagram Assistant also includes auto likes, auto follow. Now we are you have to open any profiles, then you have to open followers. Yeah, following. Then you have to scroll to load more profiles. Then you saw a button on the top, start following. Just press and wait. Is capture user profile from post, reels or comment also. You can collect the profiles to the like. This is especially useful for creators, marketers, and the brand page managing campaign. You can also sort the profiles which we just follow on the profile page. There you can check out the list of the profiles which we follow. You can manage the settings at the page, post likes, follow action delay time between page load delay, limits per hourly, daily likes limit, follow daily hourly limit is there. Now we are moving the next features is start post collecting. It is automatic collect the post from the specific profiles. Then you have to wait and collect it is auto scrolling the post automatically. This is good when you want to like a specific profiles post. When you collect the post, you will see the profiles there. List of the profiles will be collected. Then you can click start post liking. Then it is automatic open profiles and like. That is the complete walkthrough of the Instagram Assistant auto liker for post and reels comment. If you want to save time and grow faster on the Instagram, you can install the extension using the link in the description. Do not forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, subscribe for more tutorials, and we will add more features. Continue. Thank you.